everyone. This is Bazboz with another video. This video, I did it because the last one of how to hack a Wi-Fi with Wirecut got a lot of views, so I wanted to do this one as follow-up. Now first thing first, drop a like and subscribe if you are not, it really helps a lot, smiley face. Second, go to your terminal, CMD, and type ipconfig. Then you will find the IP address, called gateway. Copy that IP address to your browser. Now as you can see, my router does not give you anything in this page, which is rare, because a lot of them out there give the series of the router in this page, so if you know the company name of the router, just type it in a Google search, with default password after it. As you can see, after a little bit of research, you can find the user, password, the default ones, and believe me, all the coffees and homes use the default ones, even me, I use them, because we are lazy to change them. So after you get in, you can change whatever you want, basically everything. Finally, if this video get a lot of interaction, I can assure you, I will do a real demonstration, in a coffee and make a video about it. Thanks all for watching and take care, hack safe.